across your hand.
Imagine a weapon so powerful it can punch through layers of steel and concrete, reaching targets buried deep underground. The Massive Ordnance Penetrator, or MOP, is a 30,000-pound bomb to destroy the most hardened, deeply buried targets on Earth. Nicknamed the Bunker Buster, it's the answer to enemies who hide their assets. It's a marvel of engineering, designed to penetrate where no other conventional weapon can. This is the story of the ultimate bunker buster. The MOP was built to break through the world's toughest defenses. Bunker busters rely on kinetic energy, mass and speed to smash through concrete and steel. The MOP's dense, streamlined body is engineered for stability and pinpoint accuracy. Only the B-2 Spirit stealth bomber can carry this giant, delivering it deep into enemy territory undetected. Inside, a hardened steel casing and advanced fuse system ensure detonation at the perfect depth for maximum destruction. The result? A shockwave powerful enough to collapse even the most secure underground sanctuaries. The Massive Ordnance Penetrator, or GBU-57, is the king of conventional bunker busters. The MOP is over 20 feet long and weighs 30,000 pounds. Designed to defeat the hardest, deeply buried targets, it can penetrate 200 feet of earth or 60 feet of reinforced concrete. The MOP contains a GPS guidance system for pinpoint accuracy. It's a psychological tool. The Massive Ordnance Penetrator requires an extraordinary delivery platform. Only the B-2 Spirit stealth bomber can carry it. The B-2 stealth allows it to fly undetected. It can carry 2 MOPs. The combination creates an unmatched strategic capability. No target is truly safe. The Massive Ordnance Penetrator's casing is a bespoke suit of armor. It's made from a specialized high-grade steel alloy, engineered for hardness and ductility. It needs to shatter rock and concrete without cracking on impact. The MOP, a high-tech projectile in one of the toughest suits of armor ever created. Once the bomb is burrowed deep underground, it's time for the main event. Tucked inside is the explosive payload. The MOP carries over 5,000 pounds of a high-performance explosive mixture. That's more than 10 times the explosive power of the bomb used in the Oklahoma City bombing. But unlike an open-air explosion, this blast has nowhere to go. It's a contained catastrophe designed to unleash all of its fury within the earth right next to its target. The MOP is filled with an insensitive high explosive, meaning it's incredibly stable and very difficult to detonate by accident. It can withstand the immense shock, heat, and vibration of the initial impact and the violent journey through rock and concrete without going off prematurely. Instead of creating a fireball that expands into the atmosphere, the explosion is trapped. All of that energy is directed outwards into the surrounding rock and soil, and more importantly, into the structure of the enemy bunker. This creates a localized, man-made earthquake. The ground itself becomes a weapon, transferring massive amounts of energy into the bunker's foundation and walls. The goal is to utterly destroy it through sheer concussive force and ground shock. The force is so great that it can obliterate a hardened structure from the inside out, ensuring that whatever was being protected deep inside is completely and irrevocably destroyed. It's a focused underground apocalypse. A weapon this powerful needs precision. The MOP uses a sophisticated guidance package with GPS and an inertial navigation system, INS, to ensure accuracy. Accuracy is a necessity when targeting a specific ventilation shaft or weak point. The fuse is the electronic brain that decides when the bomb should detonate. This intelligent fusing makes the MOP a true bunker buster, ensuring the payload goes off inside the target. High above, a B-2 Spirit bomber releases a 30,000-pound weapon. Its guidance system activates as it accelerates towards the ground. The impact is violent as it punches through rock and carves a tunnel. It reaches its destination deep within the earth. A shockwave collapses the bunker from within. Mission complete. The Massive Ordnance Penetrator sparks debate about modern warfare. Proponents argue it's vital for national security, offering a conventional option against threats. Its overwhelming force could eliminate threats, saving lives. Critics worry about massive collateral damage and environmental contamination. The debate questions whether such power lowers the barrier to war, tempting leaders to use force over diplomacy. It's a debate about overwhelming force in the 21st century and the responsibility that comes with it. We've journeyed from the sky to deep within the earth, peeling back the layers of one of the most formidable conventional weapons ever conceived. The 30,000-pound Massive Ordnance Penetrator is far more than just a big bomb. It is a highly specialized tool. The journey starts with the B-2 Spirit bomber. The MOP represents the pinnacle of bunker-busting technology, a direct response to deeply buried facilities. There is simply nowhere left to hide from this unstoppable force.